Alright, video blog check everybody. Azrael here. We're doing another unboxing vlog. At kita-kita nyo naman itong nasa harapan ko, no? This is from YouTube. Direct from YouTube, no? Parang nagulat na lang ako na meron silang parang incentive for content creators sa YouTube na nakakita kasi ako ng email eh. They sent an email, sabi dito, for the creator community. Creator milestone reach, your reward is here. So they're offering rewards, no? Nagulat na lang ako sa reward. So meron silang itong email, mission accomplished. You absolutely crush it as an active creator. Now for the best part, it's reward time. So nag-fill up ako ng form at ayun. After some weeks, they sent this, nag-fill up ako ng form noong January 15. And today is January 23. Ito, nagulat na lang ako na may dumating na, they call it the hamper, no? So, nagpadala nito is si Sir Kasif Khan. Yan, si Sir Kasif Khan of Community Partner Manager ng YouTube. Nag-talk na siya dito last year sa YouTube shopping event. At yun nga, he's a real person, no? Si Sir Kashif. At nung una medyo di pa kami sanay. So nagpapakilala siya at may mga live session online, parang conversation about YouTube shopping and also how to manage and do better content for your YouTube channel. So ito na yung ano, they call it the YouTube hamper. Nagulat na lang ako bilang dumating, no? Noong una medyo duda ako, pero nakita ko naman yung email tsaka yung picture ni Sir Kashif at legit naman siya. So let's open it. Ito siya. And here's the reward. Ganda, oh. May malaking YouTube logo here. Check it out, Joe. At ito yung ating reward from the YouTube community. Napakaganda. 3 items lang. It's very, for me, pag anything YouTube item, napaka importante sa akin. For example, flex ko lang to. For example, this one, ayan, nakuha ko to sa isang YouTube event eh. Para siya, ito yung parang YouTube play button eh. Unan. Nakuha ko to sa isang YouTube event last year. So, very precious to sa akin. At naka-display to sa aking tapat na computer to remind me na, you know, nag-YouTube tayo palagi. So, okay, inspect natin, no? So, nagpadala sila ng YouTube na name tag actually. So, tatanggal tong ano eh, itong sa names. Hindi ko alam kung parang natanggal yung ano. So, ganito yan. Ayan. So, isa name tag. So, ganda. Nalagay ko to sa aking bag or backpack. Pag nag-travel ako. Kailangan ko talaga na mayroong pangalan tsaka contact number. Just in case, ma-misplace ko yung bag ko or maiwan siya ng eroplano. Yun. So, meron tayong name tag kung saan madidetect nila kung nasaan ba yung aking bag. So, ayan. Also, they sent a nice cap. Actually, ito na yung magiging paborito kong cap eh. Kasi meron siyang YouTube logo na nakaborda dito. Napakaganda. The color scheme is black and red, which is yung color identity ni YouTube. May dumi dito. Ayan yung ano to, parang tela. Ay, dumi nga. Ayan, tanggal ko na. So, ganda. Very plain, black, but red. Tapos dito may YouTube. Sana di pa nila nilagay dito. May malaking play button sana. O maybe kung meron akong pin na YouTube, lagay ko na lang dito. Alam ko, I guess meron ako, no? Or maybe I can design here. Lagay ko yung mga pins ko na Stranger Things, Netflix, for example, or yung mga smartphones ko, no? I'll decorate this na lang din to have an identity na kung ano ba yung YouTube na ginagawa kong videos. Napakaganda. And finally, a very nice tumbler, steel tumbler na may YouTube logo at may mga ano ito, peace sign, may camera, parang game console controller, may sunny orange, sun, hearts, popsicles, ayan. Sa likod, ano to, para smartphone, rugged, shopping, calendar, alarm clock, may cake, at may headphone. Wala, sticker lang yata to, no? So, ganda. Very unique to have this at pwede kong lagyan ng at may kasama pa siyang straw, no? So, napakaganda nito, no? Pinapakita ko lang to. I want to document this, no? Yung mga natin mga stuff from online at nakakatuwa, no? Na, yun nga. nakaka-receive tayo ng maganda. Para sana ma-inspire din kayo, no, to create more content YouTube na talaga nakakatulong sa mga tao, no. So, ayun, that's it for our video for today. Thank you so much kay YouTube community for sending this. And I'm very curious, no, ano kaya yung magiging reward nila for this middle of the year 2026 or possible end of the year, no. So hopefully, no, maganda, sana may maganda silang parang YouTube play button na parang ganoon, no. So well, nasa 20,000 subscribers pa naman. We have 80,000 subscribers to go pa. So wag tayo magmadali. But for me, 20,000 subscribers very okay na, wala namang problema, no. So ayan, we have a new content na for today. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Hello sa inyong lahat at keep on creating videos in YouTube. Alright.